Jasmine, I'm trying to vlog. We're in the ocean!
Hey guys, welcome to the crib.
This is just my back garden in the Pacific Ocean! Watch the waves! The waves are pretty.
Should have been fighting on my own. If you feel yours,
This is so cool, man! I'm scared my new outfit's gonna come off. Whoa, look at that wave! Like being back at Typhoon Lagoon. So we're now just going to take a nice little stroll down Venice Beach. Oh shit, I just stuck on a plug. A slug, like one of them.
These sand slugs. Molly Donegan, I've just seen what you were doing.
Is it there?
Thank you for your clothes.
Well, I did want a photo by the rock, not anymore.
God, take it off.
British boys. I want a photo just as that comes up.
yeah. Boomerang at the wave.
Go a little closer. Go closer, go closer.
Touch my chest.
She just can't help it. You're both topless.
You're just irresistible, Katney.
Ah. What are we? Oh, there's one coming.
Oh, that's a little one. That's rubbish.
There's another one coming, I think.
Oh, there's another big one coming. Go back, go back, go back, go back. There's a massive one coming. Wow, massive one! Look at it, massive! I want to be where the people are.
Yeah.
Flipping your things, you don't get too far.
Someone needs to say when there's a wave coming. Got algae all on my penis. I've done that a few times.
Ariel in. Me and Ariel at the beach. Got it. Got it.
Cool, can you fire that for a filter so I don't look as white as fuck?
Same.
Sophie, do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
Do it for the Do it for the
What are you doing? Oh shit, yeah. Go up there. Do it, you have breathe in, don't give up now. No, do it! Sophie!
initials.
Yeah,
Our
initials.
names won't fit or anything.
It's the weirdest looking sex I've ever seen.
Right, so Santa Monica is pretty much like Blackpool, right? Because, right, listen to my justification of this. Because right now we're in Venice Beach. This is called South Shore. Over there, Santa Monica. Let's call this North Shore. I would say from Venice Beach to Santa Monica, about a half-hour walk. Because look, you can see it in the distance. That's North Pier, basically.
Do you know what's annoying about Santa Monica?
Well,
There's no comedy carpet.
no,
It is the comedy carpet.
these guys are the comedy carpet. And there's also no Blackpool Tower. That is not a good Santa Monica. It's not. It needs a tower between Venice Beach and Santa Monica Beach. That's what this time needs. The Coral Island, it needs a Coral Island. This arcade, the arcades here, not as good as those in our Blackpool. It looks tiny. Might as well have a walk and then have another paddle and then a walk again, shall we? Shall we walk halfway? Because you know, halfway is Central Pier. Basically Blackpool. So we'll have another paddle at Central, shall we? Oh my god. I know, I'm a genius. Quite excited for this.
Yeah, it's quite a good
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Goes on forever. Hey! oh, this is what's going on. And we're up. Look at the views behind me. Isn't it so pretty?
I think it's going to be a slow one because we've got to load everyone up, so it's going really slow now. It's going to go faster afterwards. Oh my goodness.
What a place to stop.
So you get better at the top.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll stop at the top. Like I mean, just look.
Huh?
We didn't go up to the end of the PM spot.
Look at these views. That's where we walked from earlier, all the way down there.
We did actually. We did good.
We've done a lot of walking these past couple of days. And now, just chilling in the Ferris Wheel. Look!
I think they've loaded everyone up now. Like,
This now, we should be going fast. And we're up again. So are they off it now?
Yeah.
Hey, they're up. And they say, hey friends, bye! Bye Felicia! Hashtag Night Life!
You're stressing me out. Please put your strap on your neck.
Okay. On my
You're
camera?
like holding your camera down there, like there goes your camera, Becca. No?
this is actually not as
fine.
as I thought.
I mean, nobody's swinging left and right, and I'm not shaking myself, so we're all right.
It's so many spin wheel, I'll give me that. Look, payment. 4 hour speed.
It looks like it was going faster than it is. There they are, look, there our friends are over there. And this is a good life we're having right now.
Yay!
Good summer. It's been a real good summer.
Excuse me, lad.
Excuse me, lad. He's not taking me money.
That's why do I
I get the aim of it.
a confused manner. Sum up this situation up right here. Well,
Work that candid Catney. Work it. Work it. Oh, oh look, it's over there.
are we can with them? Me drawing on the line in my face.
What do we need to get, Luke?
Get a fucking sunset pic, lad. Right, lads. Come on.
That's cute. Oh my gosh, just look at the sunset. It's just behind that mountain over there. And it's just going down. It's stunning. And we're getting the use out of this good photo opportunity. Insert photos here. Update on the sunset, it has gone behind the hills. Right, but still beautiful skies. So red. You miss being cold?
I said that when I was in Orlando, and now I like it.
Shake it! So, Indy!
No, it is.
I think it's a beat.
Hang on, I'm going to help you this out.
What?
Fuck off, Luke. Piss right off.
They're like dogs!
Why on? I got to do it.
Right there.
No, Sean, Chris in the room. Alright.
So this is our house. Bye. I hope you can see me now, but basically what we just tried to do was go to the Griffith Observatory to see it at night, but we didn't realise that it shut at 10 and it's now 11, so we've kind of missed the opportunity. So the vlog beforehand said that we were going to go up to the Griffith Observatory, but now we're not. So I'm just basically letting you know that we've not gone up to the Griffith Observatory because we can't get up there because it's past 10. So it's really upsetting because we can't get up there no more. Jasmine, I'm trying to vlog, and basically there's a really pretty house behind me. It's very nice, but we can't get. I am actually quite upset we can't get up there. We've seen it in daylight. All it is at night time, it'll be a load of lights. So if you look back on the pictures of when I went to the Griffith Observatory in the daytime, just imagine that with a load of lights, and I bet that's what it would look like if it were there tonight. So we're just in LAX now, and we're about to get on the plane to San Francisco. I'm very excited. It's got the same time zone. This is everybody. We're just waiting. Alice has gone for a wee. I'm excited. They're all excited. You're excited. See you there.